everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Grape Clafoutis. It is a very easy recipe and it's very good, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so you need to butter whatever you're using, unsalted butter. Just remember to do every groove and every inch of yours to help the pie come out nice. Then pour in your fruit. You can do anything. Strawberries, cherries, grapes, but right here we're just using the rest of our fruit. Okay guys, so a half a cup of milk, 4 eggs. I'm just cracking it into the bowl just to make sure I get no shell crusts in there. I mean, not crusts, any shell in it. Okay guys, so now I'm pouring the eggs with the milk, and then I'm gonna pour in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You want to put this in a blender so then you can blend everything up, but you can also use a hand mixer. Also, pour in 1 cup of flour. And then add half a cup of sugar. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, put the lid on securely, turn on your machine, and blend about for 30 seconds to make sure everything's in there. And you want to use a spatula to scrape the sides of the blender in order for everything to mix. Okay guys, everything looks good now. Let's turn off the machine and let's pour our batter into our fruit. Yum, it already looks good, even though it's not cooked yet. Alright guys, into the oven it goes. Okay guys, our clafoutis looks delicious. About 40 minutes in the oven at 375. It is like this. Do not worry, it will go down like this. So here we go. Yum. Okay guys, look how good it is. But now we're gonna add some powdered sugar over. I know, this is my first time doing powdered sugar, so it looks like it snowed on top of it. But it was still good. And then to top it off, add some whipped cream. Yum, let's eat. Okay guys, the best part about this dessert is you do not have to wait for it to cool. It is best when it's warm, so just let it chill for a little bit and then cut and then yum. Let's eat. Okay guys, it's still warm and here I am, look. But first, top it off with some whipped cream. Original whipped cream flavored. Yum, let's start. Alright guys, time to dig in. Let's test it out. I can't wait. Oh my, hot, hot, hot. You gotta wait a little bit. A little longer. This is really hot. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my tongue is on fire right now. Oh my gosh, this is so hot, but so good. So, please make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell for my latest videos. Don't forget to try some. Alright, enjoy your dessert. Bye everyone. See you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't you think that I say that